Hi, my name's Jim and welcome to Against the Grain. I've got a very exciting commission I've been given this week. A friend of mine from school has a friend who runs a charity, and one of the volunteers is retired or retiring, and they wanted to do something nice for him. Now he's ex-RAF, so they've gone and got him a horizon indicator from a Lancaster bomber. And it's a fantastic piece of machinery. I mean, do not jar, handle like eggs. It's stunning piece of kit. It's an original piece. It's worth a reasonable amount of money. And they want me to mount it on a wooden plinth so you can see this. It also, it's a fantastic piece of history. It even has the original label that was attached. So we're going to do something with that. What they want is a wooden base, wooden plinth, and two arms to cradle the horizon indicator lengthways, so it can be removed and looked at. But also hidden underneath that, we're going to mount the label. Now I've got two pieces of glass here that I've had cut to size. So they're going to sandwich like so, and then that will be underneath, routed in so it's sunk in, and then can be removed and looked at because there's writing on both sides. So yeah, it's a really exciting project. I'm really looking forward to getting started on this one. I've had a good think. I've had a good chat with the client. We talked about lots of different woods we could use: European oak, American white oak, ash, walnut, all kinds of different woods. And because it's black, and this needs to be the feature of it, we want to go as light as possible on the wood. So I've got a nice piece of beech that I make chopping boards with. So I suggested that. It's a nice thick piece as well, so I can bevel the edges so there can be a bit of a plaque put on. But also the grain won't stand out as much, whereas ash and oak, the grain detail when you put a finish on stands through, whereas the beech, it's a lot more subdued and a lot more subtle. So I think we're going to do it in beech. I've never done anything like this before. I really want to do this piece justice because it's a fantastic piece of history. So I'm really excited about this one. So what I'm probably going to do is just point the camera and have a go. I'm probably going to cut a little template out of some plywood just to make sure it looks right and I get the right dimensions for the actual machine itself before I actually start working on the beech, just to make sure I've got all the right dimensions and I've placed everything correctly.